Hello, my name is Javier Cative. Today I be talking about the environment and you we can adopt the green lifestyles to mud and snow. Small action, big change. Today more than ever, it is essential to take concrete action to reduce our impact on the environment, adopting a greener lifestyle. Thanks to our big effort, is fact small change this can make big difference. We can we can start by educating ourselves about the environment and supporting local conservation activities like cleaning up the tree planting help to every have some master together. We can make a positive difference. Is plastic reduction. To reduce pollution was the first and show is the cut down plastic consum, consum, so let's choose reusable products like bottles, show bags and glass container. Single-use plastic is what the main source says the pollution are chunks and the making the change is can significantly reduce the problems. Saving energy. Saving and the saving energy is another important. We still reduce are the environmental impact. Small and strong and how like turning fall of light and the primes is whether not you want singly let pulse and telling about cheap or neutral light. But if not only the planet but can also help save money. This is more and snow over time can make a big difference. Responsa- Responsible water consumption. Water, water is precious the resource we often waste more than we relax. Can do a bit like turning of the tap wheel pushing the teeth taking short the show chowner and reusing water whenever possible. These measures are the key to persist on the ensuring and available for future generation. generation. Thank you very much for your attention and Joe is Andy and inspired is to make small but significant change with the large wealth came for the environment.